Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. I just want to remind everyone. In this set, all questions need solutions. Prepare your papers, ball pen or pencil as well as your calculator allowed by the PRC. One question can only be answered within 1 minute and 30 seconds, or 90 seconds. The solution will be revealed at the end of each question. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Get ready, masters. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's start. Question number 1. Determine the value of k so that the equation 4x to the power of 2 plus kx plus 1 equals 0 will have just one real solution. Letter A, 4. Letter B, 5. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 8. The answer is letter A, 4. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 2. Anna is as old as the combined age of his two brothers, Ben and Carlo. But Carlo is 2 years older than Ben. The combined ages of the three last year were 3/4 their combined ages at present. How old is Ben now? Letter A, 4. Letter B, 10. Letter C, 8. Letter D, 2. The answer is letter D, 2. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 3. The log of the product mn is equal to 1.62324929 and the log of the quotient m over n is equal to negative 0.0669468789. Find the value of n. Letter A, 6. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 8. Letter D, 9. The answer is letter B, 7. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 4. Find the coefficient of the binomial quantity x plus y to the power of 10, containing the term x to the power of 7, y to the power of 3. Letter A, 130. Letter B, 125. Letter C, 100. Letter D, 120. The answer is letter D, 120. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 5. Find the value of x of the following series of numbers: 6, 8, 12, 18, 26, x. Letter A, 41. Letter B, 32. Letter C, 48. Letter D, 36. The answer is letter D, 36. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 6. If two forces of 5 newtons each are acting along the x and y axes, then determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant, in radians, from the positive x-axis. Letter A, 5 square root of 2 newtons, pi over 3. Letter B, 5 square root of 2 newtons, pi over 4. Letter C, 5 newtons, pi over 3. Letter D, 5 newtons, pi over 4. The answer is letter B, 5 square root of 2 newtons, pi over 4. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 7. Find the remainder if we divide 4y to the power of 3 plus 18y to the power of 2 plus 8y minus 4 by 2y plus 3. Letter A, 10. Letter B, 11. Letter C, 13. Letter D, 12. The answer is letter B, 11. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 8. It takes Ben twice as long as it takes Dan to do a certain piece of work. Working together, they can do the work in 6 days. How long would it take Dan to do it alone? Letter A, 9. Letter B, 8. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter A, 9. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 9. One pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours, and another pipe can fill the same tank in 3 hours. A drain pipe can empty the tank in 24 hours. With all 3 pipes open, how long will it take to fill the tank? Letter A, 5.16 hours. Letter B, 3.14 hours. Letter C, 2.18 hours. Letter D, 1.48 hours. The answer is letter C, 2.18 hours. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 10. How long must a 35,000 pesos note bearing 20.5% simple interest run to amount to 43,700 pesos? Letter A, 436.51 days. Letter B, 364.51 days. Letter C, 346.51 days. Letter D, 463.51 days. The answer is letter A, 436.51 days. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 11. An iron block weighs 5 newtons and has a volume of 200 cubic centimeters. What is the density of the block? Letter A, 988 kilograms per cubic meter. Letter B, 1,255 kilograms per cubic meter. Letter C, 2,548 kilograms per cubic meter. Letter D, 800 kilograms per cubic meter. The answer is letter C, 2,548 kilograms per cubic meter. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 12. At a speed of 75 kilometers per hour, a car decelerates at a rate of 500 meters per square minute along a straight path. How far, in meters, will it travel in 45 seconds? Letter A, 790.293. Letter B, 791.357. Letter C, 793.238. Letter D, 796.875. The answer is letter D, 796.875. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 13. A ball is thrown from a tower 30 meters high above the ground with a velocity of 300 meters per second directed at 2 degrees from the horizontal. How long will the ball hit the ground? Letter A, 21.2 seconds. Letter B, 22.2 seconds. Letter C, 23.2 seconds. Letter D, 24.2 seconds. The answer is letter A, 21.2 seconds. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 14. Determine the magnitude of the resultant force, F equals 3I plus 4J plus 12K. Letter A, 12. Letter B, 13. Letter C, 14. Letter D, 15. The answer is letter B, 13. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 15. Compute the value of x if vector A and vector B are perpendicular. Vector A equals 2i plus xj plus k and vector B equals 4i minus 2j minus 2k. Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. The answer is letter C, 3. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 16. In how many ways can 5 different trees be planted in a circle? Letter A, 720. Letter B, 120. Letter C, 384. Letter D, 220. The answer is letter B, 120. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 17. A pair of fair dice is tossed. Find the probability of getting at most a total of 5. Letter A, 7 over 36. Letter B, 10 over 23. Letter C, 12 over 18. Letter D, 5 over 18. The answer is letter D, 5/18. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 18, a machine costs 8,000 pesos and an estimated life of 10 years with a salvage value of 500 pesos. What is its book value after 8 years using the straight line method? Letter A, 2,000 pesos. Letter B, 4,000 pesos. Letter C, 3,000 pesos. Letter D, 2,500 pesos. The answer is letter A, 2,000 pesos. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 19, the fifth term in an arithmetic progression is 12, and the 17th term is 36. Determine the sum of the first 50 terms. Letter A, 2650. Letter B, 2700. Letter C, 2750. Letter D, 2800. The answer is letter A, 2650. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 20. A 5% brine solution is to be made by mixing a 50 kg brine solution of 2% with another brine solution of 6%. By how many kilograms of the 6% solution should be added? Letter A, 150 kilograms. Letter B, 130 kilograms. Letter C, 120 kilograms. Letter D, 100 kilograms. The answer is letter A, 150 kilograms. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 21. The sides of a triangle ABC are as follows: AB equals 3 centimeters, BC equals 4 centimeters, and CA equals 6 centimeters. What is the largest interior angle of the triangle? Letter A, 117.2796 degrees. Letter B, 62.7204 degrees. Letter C, 126.3843 degrees. Letter D, 36.3361 degrees. The answer is letter A, 117.2796 degrees. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 22. Find the equivalent of cotangent x plus tangent x. Letter A, sine x cosine x. Letter B, cosecant x secant x. Letter C, secant x. Letter D, cosine x plus sine x. The answer is letter B, cosecant x secant x. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 23. If the shadow of a tree increases by 3 meters when the angle of elevation of the sun's rays decreases from 65 degrees to 50 degrees, find the height of the tree. Letter A, 8.05 meters. Letter B, 3.76 meters. Letter C, 6.13 meters. Letter D, 5.22 meters. The answer is letter A, 8.05 meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 24. Find the surface area of a sphere whose volume is 80 cubic meters. Letter A, 72.39 square meters. Letter B, 89.79 square meters. Letter C, 240.73 square meters. Letter D, 44.89 square meters. The answer is letter B, 89.79 square meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. Question number 25. Find the approximate height of water upstream of the dam or the headwater in meters, such that an air bubble, upon reaching the water surface, has volume 3 times than it had at the bottom. Letter A, 20.26 meters. Letter B, 30.39 meters. Letter C, 20.66 meters. Letter D, 44.89 square meters. The answer is letter C, 20.66 meters. Just pause this video for the solution. Comments or corrections are highly appreciated. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.